So it was really funny to see how when I was first working there, she was very and she was still, she didn't change. I changed, and so she reacted to me a little bit differently. So she was she would take me very literally, and it felt like she was very like seeing things in black and white most of the time. So whenever I tried to say a joke, or whenever I tried to like put a bit of thought or emotion behind like my action, I felt like immediately shut down. Like, oh, I can't be like touchy-feely, like, oh, I'm like, oh, here's some water, or here's this, and she's like, why are you doing this? Like, let's just get what we need to get done. So after the EMP workshop, I started not taking her actions personally, and she just wants to accomplish the goal. And so once I started just accomplishing the goal, and then we would have like downtime after the project, she would like open up, and we'd be able to like have those organic conversations that I need in the workplace. Whenever my twin and I had a conflict, I would want to try and solve it right away, so it doesn't like sit and stay in one little place. I would want to try and solve it right away. And then for her, she would want time to like think about it and digest it and then come back. But when she would walk away from the conversation and then say, hey, let's save this for later, I would feel like hurt, because I'm like thinking like, oh, she doesn't want to like talk to me right away about this problem, so she must not care about me, so she must not care about the relationship. So then I would try even harder to compensate for me thinking she's kind of like running away from the issue, but really that pushed her further, because she just needed time to like digest what was going on, so that she can, that we could solve it. Jessica speaks very organically to you, because just knowing her for the time that I've known her, she has gone through trials, which has made her a stronger person. And I realized that through each trial that a person goes through makes them a stronger person, but it's not so much what they went through, it's how they dealt with the situation. And so with like the workshops and the training, it's helping me like build those skills in order to work with the situation in a different way, to become more responsive rather than like reactive.